Hey guys, thank you guys for being part of our inner circle in our little group here. And I just wanted to share something with you really quick. We got a request from Sally in Australia about some tips. She wanted some tips to figure out how to price large scale pieces like an arbor or a flower wall. And I just wanted to share a quick thing we do that might be new to you. I don't know. But it's just kind of a quick way to get an idea of a starting point, at least, if not the whole thing, for how many flowers you're going to need for a large scale piece. And it is this super high tech piece right here. You guys see that? So all I've done here is take a big piece of paper and estimate what kind of like a 12 by 12 inch area would be. We're obviously in the United States, so make that whatever measurement makes sense for you. But I have literally drawn on here different flower sizes. So the big pink ones. Was this upside down? No. The big pink ones might be something like a hydrangea. The kind of medium purple ones might be something like a rose. And then the blue ones are like just some kind of sprouty flower. And then all the little black pieces are what I would estimate kind of leaves to be. So literally I have just drawn them on this 12 inch by 12 inch piece of paper. And then I've counted them up. So this piece here has like 2 of this base flower, which might be like a hydrangea. It has 10 of this kind of larger secondary flower, which could be like a rose. 10 of the light blue, which I don't know, whatever you want. That's beautiful and small, supplementary thing. And then all the black ones, would be like a foliage, which this is obviously super estimated, but I have counted if these were my leaves, then that would be something like if there were like 3 leaves per stem, then that would be 11 stems of salal or lemon leaf, if that's what you call it near you. So if I were doing this and I was making like an 8-foot by 8-foot wall, then I would take these numbers, multiply them by 8, add a little bit extra, and then apply my markup to that. Now, if you guys are confused about markups, we are actually making a financial course soon that will tell you what your markup should be based on how you want your company to run and work and make money for you. So stay tuned for that. But that's the basics of it. This is literally how we figure out how many flowers go in a flower wall. If this was a linear piece, same thing. It's the same idea, just would bend over some, you can like estimate what like a garland would be it with something like this. And I would just add however many feet or meters that I'm using and then multiply by that. Does that make sense? I hope so. So for example, I have about 2 hydrangea for this square foot. And if I were doing a whole wall, that would mean there are 96 square feet in an 8 by 8, right? 8 feet, 96, 8 feet, 8 by 8 times 8 is 64. Oy. So I would multiply this by 64. So that would be, 128 hydrangea. Does that make sense? 8 feet by 8 feet. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that's how you do it. I hope that's helpful for you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.